Welcome to FP Markets. In this quick video, we will explain what the close buy operation is and how you can use it to close multiple positions in the MetaTrader 5 trading application on your iPhone. Firstly, what is close buy? Close buy, available on both MT5 and MT4, allows traders to simultaneously close two opposite positions of the same financial instrument. More specifically, during the close buy operation, the open price of the second position is used to close the first one, and the second position is closed at the open price of the first position. Now let's get started. Firstly, you will need to open the MT5 app on your phone and type FP Markets in the Find Broker search console. After having selected FP Markets, please proceed to log in. Select Server, enter your trading platform ID number and password. For the purposes of this video, we will be trading on a demo account. Once inside the MT5 app, press Trade to view all your current open positions. Remember that to be able to use close buy, you must have a buy and sell order on the same symbol. In this case, we have a buy and sell order open for the XAU-USD pair and will be performing a close buy for these two positions. Long press one of the XAU-USD symbols for the context menu to appear. From the menu, choose the second option, Close Buy. In the next screen, you must select the symbol you would like to close your buy order by hard pressing it, and then press the Close button. Once you press Close, your close buy has been executed. If you now go to your orders list, you will be able to see that the XAU-USD close buy was filled. Note that the amount of final profit loss resulting from the closure of the two positions is only indicated in one deal. Feel free to reach out to one of our team members if you need any further assistance. Thanks for watching.